Welcome to PPK Pharma Tutorial YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about identification of bacteria using different staining techniques. This topic comes under Microbiology B.Pharmacy 3rd semester, Unit 1. If you like this video, please click on like button, share this video to your friends and subscribe our channel PPK Pharma Tutorial. Now we will see the different identification test staining techniques, identification of bacteria. Through different staining techniques, we will identify the bacteria like acid fasting, simple staining. Okay, we will use see different techniques. Now we will go into this video. First, stain. A stain is a substance that adhere to the cell which gives cell color. Means stain is nothing but a substance which attach to the cell and produce or which gives color to the particular cell, because bacteria slightly negative charge at pH 7.7. At pH 7, the bacteria have negative charge, so this stain attached to the cell and gives color to the bacteria. Okay, the presence of color gives the significance constant, so they are prominently visible. Hence, staining technique enhances the contrast in the image of microscopic image. So this presence of color gives the significance constant. So this through staining prominently this bacteria will be visible. Now we will see reagents and the color produced by gram positive and gram negative bacteria. For crystal violet, for gram positive, purple and blue. For gram negative, also purple and blue. Whereas grams iodine, gram positive and gram negative, that means we add grams iodine reagent to the bacteria, then the bacteria which is gram positive bacteria, it gives purple and blue, and also gram negative same color. But when we add alcohol to bacteria, if it is a gram positive, it gives purple and blue. If it is a gram negative, then it produce no colorless, means it not show any color. If we add saffron reagent, then to the if we add saffron reagent to the bacteria, if it is a gram positive, it shows purple and blue. If it is a gram negative bacteria, it shows red and pink color. Importance of this staining. Bacteria have nearly same refractive index as water, so they are observed under microscope. They are visible. They are not visible to the naked eye. Okay. Next, staining is the primary recognition of bacteria. It is important in diagnosis of infectious disease in culture and directly for clinical sample. Now we will see simple staining technique. It is carried out to visualize bacteria and to compare morphological changes and arrangement of bacteria cells. The bacteria smear is stained with crystal violet, saffron, methylene blue, etc. In simple staining, the bacteria smear is stained with these colors like saffron, crystal violet, methylene blue. Okay, and this technique is helps in the morphological shape arrangement of bacteria cell. We can visualization of bacteria and to compare its morphological shapes and arrangement of the bacteria cells. The principle involved in simple staining technique. These dyes will give hydroxyl ion or accept H plus ion. It leaves stain positive charge. It leaves stains and it may give H plus ion or accept H plus ions. Since the surface of bacteria is negatively charged, as I said before, the surface of the bacteria is negatively charged, so these charges are strongly binds to the cell wall. Then these cells are visible against a light background. This is the principle involved in the simple staining technique. Now is the procedure. First, we need to clean and dry microscopic slide. First, we need to clean the microscopic slide and dry it. Then, flame the surface in which the smear is to be spread. So, to make the slide clean, first we need to flame the surface in which bacterial smear is to be spread and flame the inoculating loop. Okay, first we need to flame the inoculating loop until it comes to red color. Then transfer a loop full of tap water to the flamed slide. That means we need to transfer a loop full of tap water and place this water droplet on the slide. Okay, flamed slide surface. Reflame the loop, making sure the entire length of the wire that will turn into the tube has heated into redness. As I said before, we need to reflame it. Next, remove the tube cap with the fingers of hand holding the loop and flame the tube mouth. Means we need to flame the tube mouth. Okay, next disperse the bacteria on the loop in the drop of water on the slide and spread the drop over an area the size of an dim. It should be thin even smear. Next, reflame the inoculating loop to redness including the entire length that enter the tube. Okay, next again we need to reflame the loop and allow the smear to dry thoroughly and fix the smear cautiously by passing the underside of the slide through the burner flame 2 or 3 times. Then after adding it, we need to smear cautiously by passing the flame. Next, stain the smear by flooding it with one of the staining solution and allowing remain covered with the stain for the time designated below, like methylene blue for 1 minute, crystalline violet 30 seconds. That means we need to stain the smear with staining solutions like methylene blue for 1 minute and crystal violet for 30 seconds. At the end of the designated time, rinse off the excess stain will gently running water, rinse thoroughly. Wipe the back of the slide and blot the stained surface with a paper towel and place the stained smear on the microscope stage. Smear side up and focus the smear using the 10x objective. That means after staining the surface with paper towel, we need to focus the slide under 10x objective. Choose an area of the smear in which the cells are well spread in a monolayer. Okay, we need to choose a smear in which the cells will be spread in a monolayer. Center the area to be studied and apply oil directly to the smear and focus the smear under oil with the 100x objective. After adding oil and focus this particular smear with 100x objective. Now we will see uses. It is used to study the morphology and arrangement of bacteria cell. Okay, these are uses. Next, observation of simple staining is spherical shaped bacteria coccus is turned blue color, whereas rod shaped bacteria bacilli will turn to red color. This is the observation of simple staining. Now we will see acid fast staining technique. Acid fast staining method is one of the differential staining technique. This technique was first developed by Gihel and later modified by Nelson. Hence, this method is known as Gihel-Nelson staining technique. This technique also known as acid fasting technique. Okay, it was developed by Nelson and it discovered by Gihel, modified by Nelson and developed by Gihel. Okay, objectives to differentiate bacteria into a acid fast group and non-acid fast group. This technique, acid fast staining is to differentiate the acid fast group and non-acid fast group, and it is used for the microorganisms which are not staining by simple and gram staining method, particularly the members genus of mycobacteria which are resistant to other stains. Which means we use acid fasting technique for the genus like mycobacteria because they are not stained by simple and gram staining methods. That means they are resistant to stains. That's why we use acid fast staining method. Principle involved in acid staining technique, that is the smear is prepared and stained with the car finish which solubilize the lipidolayer material present in the mycobacterial cell wall, and by heating carbonyl fusion further penetrates through the lipid wall and enters into cytoplasm. Next, resulting in cell appears red color. Then the smear is decolorized with 3% HCl in 95% alcohol, but the acid fast cells are resistant due to the presence of large amount of lipidoid material on their cell wall that prevents the penetration of decolorizing agent. Then the smear stained with counter stain methylene blue and other decolorized cells are observed and appears blue, while acid fast cells retain the red color. Okay, the procedure involved in acid fast staining is prepare bacterial smear on clean and grease free slide using sterile technique. Allow smear to air dry and then heat fix. Cover the smear with carbonyl fission stain. Heat the stain until vapor just begins to rise about 60 degrees Celsius. Allow the heater stain to remain on the slide for 5 minutes. Wash the stain with clean water. Cover the smear with 3% volume by volume acid alcohol for 5 minutes. Wash off the stain with clean water. Wipe the back of the slide clean and place it on a draining rack of the smear to air dry. Examine the smear microscopically using the 100x oil immersion objective. Acid first, Mycobacterium, tuberculosis, non-mycobacterial bacteria, nocardia, and Suicidian parasites, Cryptosporidium. In this video, we learn the principal procedure of simple staining and acid fast staining. In next video, we will discuss about gram staining and also difference between gram positive bacteria and gram negative bacteria. After watching this video, you watch this video. I made it on. It is uploaded in our channel. Thanks for watching this video up to last. Welcome to. If you like this video, please click on like button, share this video to your friends, subscribe our channel PPK Pharma Tutorial. Prepare well for your exams. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you to all for watching this video.